Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing the LiveGlam or LiveGlam Brush Subscription for the month of July. Can you believe it? We are in July already. So if you're interested to see what kind of makeup brushes I got for this month's subscription, stay tuned and let's unbox. So before we get into the unboxing, please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below and also hit the bell so you're notified when I post a new video to my channel. And I'm really active on my Twitter and Instagram as well, so I'll leave all that social media goodness, platform information down in the description box. And with that, let's open up this bag and see what kind of brushes we got. So if you are new to the LiveGlam or LiveGlam subscription by Morphe, this is a monthly subscription for $19.99. I just say $20 flat. So this subscription provides you with makeup brushes that will value to $30. Now some months you will get more brushes because each brush is cheaper individually, and some months you'll get fewer brushes because each brush is more expensive. So again, monthly subscription, $19.99. I will leave the link to this subscription down in the description box along with my referral link. Now the referral link, if you do choose to use that, just gives me points and I can exchange those points for a makeup brush. But LiveGlam or LiveGlam does different types of subscriptions. I know they have a lip gloss one if you're more into the lip type of subscriptions. So they have several different ones if you want to check them out. I myself prefer brushes because I like to use different brushes for different things, and I feel like if I get a brush that I've never used before, it kind of helps me get out of like my creative stump, if that makes sense. So I really have been enjoying just trying brushes. My collection is getting big, so if you are new to makeup and you want to grow your collection, this would be a great subscription. If you're a makeup artist and you need some brushes for your case, your makeup case, great subscription. If you need brushes, I recommend this because it grows your collection really quickly for only $20 a month. And this month, the theme is Keep on Blooming, July 2020. And on the back of the card, it does give you details on the brushes that come in the bag. And it says brushes are the new flowers, and it also provides the social media platforms for LiveGlam to tag them. Okay, the first brush we got is the Morphe M433 brush, and this is the Pro Firm Blending Fluff Brush. Say hello to seamless blending with this must-have blending brush, perfect for transition colors and blending out harsh lines. I'm a fan of blending brushes, period. Exclamation point. I feel like you can never have enough of blending brushes, especially if you're doing like crazy colorful looks and you don't have time to wash a brush. You have one on the side for like a quick grab. So I'm definitely gonna keep this. I don't know if I already have this blender brush in my collection. This is kind of like a common brush you would see in this subscription, but definitely a good size for blending out any type of area over my eyes. And if I was doing a natural look, this would be good to just sweep one eyeshadow color over. I feel like this does come to a tip, kind of like a pointed tip, so this would be also good to pack and blend color in your crease, blend it out, and you could do a really good like cut crease after that. So again, I'm a fan of blending brushes. I cannot have enough of these, so I am going to be keeping this one. And the next brush that is in the bag is the Morphe M518 brush, and this is a crease fluff brush. This slender tapered crease brush places color exactly where you want it, necessary for any shadow look and perfectly sized for small and hooded eyes. So again, we have a different type of blending brush, which I can't get enough of blending brushes. So this is a little bit more fluffier. I wouldn't say this comes to a tip. I would say that the M433 is the one that comes to more of a tip than the M518. This is kind of more domed, but again, because it's domed, I feel like it'll definitely give you that blended out technique, and it can span a little bit wider than the first brush. Bristles, soft, and yeah, it's a good just blender brush. So for this look, I would have used this for the deeper color just to blend it out, blend it into my crease. So this is definitely going to be a handy brush in my collection. And our next brush is the Morphe M710 brush, and this is the angled lip brush. So the precise angle of this synthetic brush is perfect for creating super defined lip looks. I really don't use lip brushes only because my lips are pretty big. I don't really need like a very defined brush to get in there. I just don't. I was blessed with big lips. I was blessed. But this would be a perfect brush to do a liner with. So especially I'm getting used to using these wet activated or water activated liners. So this brush is stiff enough that I feel like it would still provide me with a good tip for my liners. I'd even use this with just, you know, glitter glue and applying glitter. It's flat, it's precise, so it can really get into like my inner corner. If I wanted to do glitter in precise places on my face, this is a brush that I would use. So I'm going to go ahead and keep it because I think I can have some different type of versatility with this brush, but I do like it. I do like that it is darker hair bristled as well. I feel like with, and I've said this all like a lot with other brushes that I've unboxed, the whiter hairs on brushes just tend to collect that color of like my foundation or my concealer, and they just turn brown really quickly, and I hate that because it looks like it's stained. Even with when I'm working with like neon colors, white bristle hairs just tend to stain easier. So I tend to wash my white bristle hairs more frequently than I do my like synthetic darker hairs. But other than that, I mean, it's no biggie to me. It's just I prefer the darker hair brushes over these ones. But the brushes still perform really well regardless of the bristle color. And the last brush that we have is the Morphe M580 Deluxe Flat Contour Brush. This flat, round-headed brush fits perfectly in the contours of your face for definition and stamping out translucent powder. I don't contour my face. I feel like I have like some deep discoloration on my face that I feel like I just don't need to contour. It kind of works to my advantage that way. And then as far as like stamping on translucent powder, I just use my sponge for that. So I've been getting a few of these just flat type of brushes that I just don't see myself using. So I'm gonna stop opening these. So I'm going to put this one in a giveaway, and hopefully I can do like a brush giveaway soon. But yeah, it's white bristled. I'm sure it's soft. And again, it's the Morphe 580 for contour and stamping on that translucent setting powder type of jazz. But I could see this being really good for the cheek, for your nose. But yeah, I just know I wouldn't use it personally. Okay, so for the month of July, again, we got 4 brushes. I will be keeping 3. 2 of them were blending brushes. One was more of like a precise lip brush, which I'll be using more for my face and my eyes. And then we got a contour brush. So all in all, you got 4 brushes for the price of $19.99 or $20. I still really like the subscription, even though at some months I do get a brush that I'm like, I'm never gonna use. But that is just the caveat. That's just the game you play with subscription boxes, honestly. Some months are better than others, but this month I got blending brushes, which I really do enjoy using, and I really like getting more eye brushes than face brushes in these subscription bags. So let me know what you think of the brushes for the month of July. Do you have this monthly subscription? And yeah, let's get to chatting about some brushes. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below, and that is all I have, you guys, so I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.